Welcome to MATLAB. Let's start navigating the desktop environment so we can execute commands and create and run code files. When we start MATLAB, the default layout contains three main windows: the command window, the workspace, and the current folder browser. The command window is where we quickly perform computations by typing them at the prompt. Some commands create new MATLAB variables by storing results from computations. We can see these variables appear in the workspace window. What if we want to recall or rerun a command we executed previously? From the command line, we press the up arrow key to view our command history. Then, we select a command to edit or run again. Often, problems require a sequence of commands to achieve a result. We can create such a sequence, called a script, using the MATLAB editor window. Let's click New Script, which opens the editor. Notice how new tabs also appear in the toolbar with functionality specific to working with code files. When writing programs, it's helpful to add comments for our future reference or to communicate the intent to others. We create comments using the %sign. In the Editor tab, we have tools to run, debug, and edit our script. Let's run the script by clicking the Run button. But wait, we haven't saved the file yet, so we're prompted to do so. By default, the file name will have the extension .m, which we use to identify MATLAB code files. Once we save, let's click the Run button again and… Great! Running a script executes the code lines appearing in black text while skipping over comments, denoted by green. Notice that the new variables are now present in the workspace. But what if we already have a MATLAB code file that somebody shared with us? We run these files by navigating to the location where the file is stored. Files and folders on the computer are located through the current folder browser. First, we navigate to the location of the file, then we open it by double-clicking on its file name. Did you notice something different in this case? The script is broken into different parts, highlighted in yellow. A script is broken into code sections by using two %signs and a space. Breaking a script into sections enables us to run a script section by section and examine the result as we work. Once we select the first section and click the Run Section button, notice how it generates a plot with a figure appearing in a new window. Also, the list of variables gets updated. Running the second section modifies only the plot. Nice! But this function here doesn't look familiar, and we want to know what it does. If we have questions about a specific function, we can find more information by right-clicking on it and selecting Help On. All MATLAB functions have a documentation page, which includes supported calling syntax, a description, and examples. Once we're done working with this script and we want to clean our work, we remove all variables from the workspace using the command clear. We can also clean up the command window using the CLC command. Now it looks like we're ready. Oh, there was another script in this folder. Wow! It's the MATLAB logo plotted in MATLAB. Go ahead. It's now your turn to get started.